So, I see your graph, your line. What is it? What we looking at?
So this is the Fibonacci retracement tool.
Okay.
And if you know a little bit about cryptocurrency, you know these are candles, and you may have heard of swing high and swing low. So what I did was I drew this Fibonacci retracement from the highest point to the lowest point on this chart right here. And now I'm using these lines as support and resistance.
Okay.
And this line right here at the point 236 would be a sign of support because you can see the price is bouncing off of that support. So what I'm looking for is for this price to break through this point 236, and then if it does, I'm gonna feel like it's gonna continue lower until this next trend line, and then I would short the market. But if it bounces up and it breaks through this line, then I'm gonna consider going long because I feel like it's gonna go to the next uh, resistance line.
Okay. So basically, what you're saying is if it goes up to a certain point, you're gonna 20x at $3,300 buying it long, and if it goes down, you're gonna what sell it short at 20x.
Yes, so I could go long 20x or short 20x. But I want to wait to see what this price is going to do. If it breaks this support,
Mm-hmm.
I feel like the support is going to become resistance, and then I feel like the price will continue to go down.
Okay.
But if we see this price break through this resistance is going to become support, and then I can see the price getting to the 50% mark.
Interesting. And I mean, how am I gonna double, triple my money with a trading sideways like this?
So I mean, I say these you would want to use some other indicators to try to help you with this. So you know what I'm saying, you don't want to just use one indicator. When we come back to the regular, it's not on futures. We can see it's still a clear downtrend. This is the 5-day moving average. It crossed over here, so the trend is clearly going down, and it still looks like it's going down. So this 5-day moving average tells me that the price is still headed in a downward direction. So
So it sounds like you're looking at a lot of things here. So I should pretty much get comfortable understanding this graph, looking at everything on here, and being able to decipher what everything is.
correct.
Okay.
Because as we see here, it looks like it's in a clear downtrend. This candle is a really nice candle in my mind. I feel like I want to go ahead and short the market just based on this downtrend line. I like the way this candle is pumping. You know what I'm saying? And then it's like full to the next. So what I usually like to do is kind of wait for the candle to go up a little bit to give me a little more, I guess, to make my liquidation level higher. And then I would jump into this red candle and short the market with the red candle.
Okay.
So my downtrend looks good. We're going in. Let's see what we're gonna do. I'm just gonna do 25%. I'm gonna take $16,000, and I'm gonna sell short.
You gonna go live into a trade right now?
Sure, why not?
Wow. Okay.
And so what we'll do is we'll go ahead and sell short at 25%, and we're gonna put our trading password in. And now we are going to short the market, and now we are in an active trade. Wow. So now what you want to do is always set your take profit and your stop loss. So what we're going to do is say that I always set this at like 100, so we can make up to $116. And I'm going to leave this at like 15%, so I can lose $53. And I'm going to just set my parameters right there in the beginning. See, I've already lost like 20 bucks, so maybe I want to set my stop loss a little deeper. I'll do like 75. Confirm. Let's see, confirm. Let's do 75. Let's see. This. We're gonna cancel the stop loss, and then we're gonna say 25%. We'll lose $97. So we're just gonna make our stop loss a little like, you know what I'm saying, further out, so that can give me more room to not get liquidated. So what you want to do is you want to come and look at your entry price. So we entered the market at $1.50 basically, and if we come and look at the prices at at 1.517, and we got into the market at 1.515. So right now we've lost $20 on this trade, but we're just hanging out in the trade. Don't be worried. You know what I'm saying? The market is trending down. We go back over here. We look at our trend line that's acting as resistance to this red candle. So we're just gonna see this candle continue, and as we seen, it just dropped to its 1.511. So this candle is indeed going down like we had predicted from our trade. And if we go back to our futures account and we see we're up about $35 on this trade right now.
So a trade, it moves pretty quick.
It does move very quick, you know what I'm saying? But what you have to do is keep in mind is that there are fees. So you could be looking at this like, oh, I just made $30 and closed your market, but your fee for executing the trade may be a little higher than you may think you won, but you could walk away with a lower trade. And I haven't figured out to know how much they're gonna charge for that trade.
Okay, so you're saying always be wary of the fees.
Okay. Yeah. But right now, I think this is a pretty comfortable trade for me. You know what I'm saying? Once again, if we go in here and look, no stress. We got $97 on the line, but you know what I'm saying? We can make up to $816 if the market falls down to $1.40. So we are shorting this market. So all it has to do is come down to about right here, $1.40. As a matter of fact, we can draw an arrow. What I like to do is get to my arrows here. We'll just pick this one, and we come back to our take profit. So at $1.44, which was right over here. Let's open this up. $1.44. Trying to get as close as I can. Okay, I'm just gonna put 45. I didn't get my arrow. Where's my arrow at? Here. That arrow. Looking for this $1.44. We got a $1.45 or 44. That is $1.44. So boom, I'm just gonna make this a little smaller. We just need this to drop down here, and we'll make $800.
Nice. Okay.
So, and now, but we also want to know.
Price target.
That's my price target in this trade. We close this window back down, and then I also want to know what my liquidation price is. So, the market's going up pretty fast. Let me check my orders. My order 86. But I'm wanting to lose $97, and it's already like pushing quick, and I just got liquidated.
Liquidated,
I think. Let me see. Oh no, I stopped that order, so I'm close to getting liquidated. So what I want to do is open up my. I'm about to get liquidated. Confirm. Let's see. Or it's I was able to save the liquidation and increase my loss to $194.
Okay.
Otherwise, I would have just got liquidated out of that trade.
None of this is financial advice.
So boom, right now I'm at a loss of $97, but we didn't get liquidated, so I gave him another $100 to play with.
Okay.
So we just gonna check on here. The trend seems to be continuing down, so we're still
live trade. We'll learn as we go. I'm learning as we go.
Alright, so boom.
Okay. Alright, so just so I understand what's going on here. You started with $3,300 right here.
Mm-hmm.
20x'd it.
20x.
And right now you're playing with 25% of that.
Right.
Okay. And this is Algorand?
Algorand.
Okay.
Yeah. So boom, as we can see, it's down $107. So we not liquidated. We still got a down pressure. So, you know what I'm saying? This is why I'll just sit back and wait for the market. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to my bears if you short Algorand right now. What's up? What's up?
Okay.
We just shut up.
So, what makes you short Algorand? Algorand has so many good things going on. Is it just a market thing? Because the market
It's just a market thing. Nothing against Algorand. I think it's a great company. I'm just shorting it because I'm looking at the market trend, and right now the trend looks like it's going down, and I need money right now. So I'm shorting them right now, and if I see that trend going up, guess where I'm going?
So you're saying that you believe, or you may be able to believe in a coin going up long term, but in the short term while it's going down, you can make some money. That's how you make money.
Right away. You know what I'm saying?
So that's how you make money going up and going down. Okay.
Exactly.
I like it, man.
So
That sounds like game for free, my man.
yeah, that's definitely the game. You know what I'm saying? Right now we just need these bears to come through. Push this candle down. Keep my trend, man.
How's it looking right now? Is it still down?
Still down 97. Let's go ahead and refresh.
This is a very volatile market. It goes up, it goes down so quick, and that's where the opportunity is. So much opportunity in there.
So, you just gotta have patience, and like trades like these, sometimes you know what I'm saying, you can be in them for 10-15 minutes or maybe like an hour or two. You know what I'm saying? But it's better than working 8 hours in a day.
Which one you work?
Hey,
Which one you work?
so boom. That's what we
You
doing.
get the hang of it, you know what I mean?
We in the live trade, baby.
I've been seeing folks saying they're making hundreds of thousands trading crypto. Is this pretty much how they're doing it?
Yeah, this is it. This is it.
Damn.
You know what I'm saying? Where else can you go and take $800 and turn it into $16,000 real quick and trade with $16,000?
That's
You
pretty
see it
powerful,
says
man.
right here on the screen, $16,588. That's what they gave me. My total right now is 726 as I'm in there, and the most I'm willing to risk from this is $184. So we straight right now. Everything's Gucci. We just letting that red candle flare up. You know what I'm saying? We just like a little gasoline on that thing, man, and just ready for that thing to come slinging down. Cause the bears, you know what I'm saying? They running it up right now.
Absolutely, it's powerful.
Sometimes you gotta refresh your shit. I like to look at it, like I said, on this one. You see that candle coming down? It's good news.
And what is it, the hour candle?
It's an hour candle. We're on an hour chart. And really, you can go flex and check out the 30 minute too. You know what I'm saying? We see the resistance, the downtrend, it just crossed. So this is a good bearish signal when the 5-day moving average crosses over into the 8 and the 10. That's a clear indication for moving average short signal. So this may be a good trend. Hopefully this, you know what I'm saying, little green candle just, you know what I mean?
To keep up, let's see how this trade works out for my man. Be sure to follow, subscribe, like, tap in on the community, man. Hit that link right down here in the description, man.
We'll
Keep up. Today's episode was brought to you by our sponsor, Canvas by Keisha. Be sure to go down in the description, tap in, get your order, man. We got the crypto line out right now.
Check out our Discord.
Definitely
Get Money Squad.
All that.
Hit us up on IG, wherever you can find us.
Yeah, wherever you at, man. We're gonna meet you where you at. Tap in.
Get money. Get Money Squad, Rackabando,
BNT.
bitch.